So we're live, but I'll need you to confirm. Let me share my screen. So I need you to confirm. You can see my screen. Confirm if you can see my screen. Hello.
Yes, sir, I can see your screen.
Okay, all right. Let me share.
I've also dragged my TP to that point too.
You don't have my trading view. I'm dragging stuff. All of that, I don't see my trading view. All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How's your night? I want to be fine. We had an amazing section yesterday night. God helping us, we've seen the result this morning, which is part of the process of what we're trying to do. I'll need to confirm if I am very audible. If I'm audible, just tell me on the comment section on YouTube. Then while we're waiting for others to join us, just take a minute or two, copy the link, share on every platform you belong to. Share on every platform you belong to, Twitter, anywhere. Just tag me, I'll be there to repost. All right. So let the whole world know we're live. And we're ready to make money together. All right. Can we all see my screen as well? Confirm if you can see my screen. But it's buying crazily. That's giving us more than 4 hours, almost 5 if I'm not wrong. So let's see what we have. Let's see the setups we have. While we're waiting, copy the link, share with your friends, family, everybody. Let them know we're live. Okay, let me do that on Twitter as well. Oh, Kevin, that one is so funny. All right, so let me put we're live now. So you can just repost, code this, whatsoever. Live now. So let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, for the gold, it's obvious. We said it since yesterday. This was the POI we have on the 1 hour time frame. The whole thought process is around there. We're here to see yesterday video. It's best to go back to it now. Or if you see yesterday and then you didn't see Saturday one. Was it Saturday or Friday? I think it was Saturday. If you didn't sit down, yeah, it was Saturday. Go back to that video as well. You're going to learn a lot, like a lot. You're going to learn a lot from there. You're going to learn a lot from there. So it will help you to even understand what we're doing. Because we're just going to build on that. It's not like we're doing anything new. We're just going to continue to build on that. So if you're here to see the video, I'll advise you go check it out now. Okay, not now, after the class. All right, everybody, you're welcome. You're welcome to class. All right, so let's see what we have. Gold is already buying. What do we have to say about gold? We'll wait till TP. If there's range, I'll let you guys know later. But for now, let's move on. So let's move down to US30. We said something last night, clearly, and then US30 failed to do that. We said we want to see price break this level. If price break this level, we're going to look for means to buy. Unfortunately, price didn't break that level. Where are we coming from? Let's go to the weekly. Weekly rejected from this guy. This open and close there. Daily as at of Friday engulfed, which is a form of expansion too. And we also had an expansion there. Right. So what are we looking at? We're looking at for forward entry. Unfortunately, nothing good around here for entry, except I want to say, okay, we had this resistance level here that got broken. Oh, price tag into it. Okay. 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 But okay, let's see if 1 hour is giving us any form of confirmation. For 45 minutes. Okay, nothing yet on 1 hour. How about 45 minutes? Nothing. So price can still drop though. Price may still drop. So for US 30, let's wait it out for now. All right, for US 30, let's wait it out for now. I will already share the link. Can we take a minute to do that? Telegram, WhatsApp, anywhere. So for US 30, let's still wait. Then NAS 100. NAS 100 did something that I like last week. Did something that I like. Let's see the weekly first. Weekly swept this low. Weekly swept this low, we rejected. Let's see daily. Daily too, swept this low, right? Then we had a rejection. For us to give us expansion now, that's okay. We had an expansion here. Looks beautiful. We had an expansion here. Right. If you can see it clearly, just switch to your line charts. Be more visible there. So we had an expansion at sort of this level. Let's see 1 hour entry. Sweep and break on 1 hour, yeah. Sweep this low, we drop this high. So entry should be within here. Entry should be within this guy. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. On 1 hour, there's an entry opportunity. Honestly, with the method I trade now, there's entry. There's entry. Price has even peaked. But how come I was oh god. I was saying we should come by 11. Thinking 11 would be and the price peaked before then. Okay. There's entry. There's entry. This was a sorry, this was a resistance that got respected earlier. Price came down again. Then we use it for buy. Okay, this is looking good. Honestly, this is looking good. But this is what we're going to do. We're not late. Okay. Someone said they missed the call on board yesterday and he lost money. That's why you should turn on the notification of this channel. Alright, so you don't miss anything. If you are buying and you are selling, let me not go back to last year. I'm saying that statement. But you know, if you are buying and you're selling, then there's problem. Not for us, but for you. All right, see, back to class. Just trying to play around. So NAS 100 gave entry, price peaked. We missed that, but not to worry. In fact, I like the fact that we didn't get in too early. Right? I like the fact that we didn't get in too early. So what am I looking out for? I'm looking out for price to come. I need price to take out the previous low now. I want to see this. This is what I want to see on NAS 100. If price close like this, then we're going to take our buy like this. We'll use confirmation. And then we'll go minimum 3 hour. I need price to close like this. It has not happened. I'm the one that put this week. So don't think price has swept it too. Please give me a minute, everybody. Give me a minute, everybody. Okay, sorry, I'm back now. Delo, confirm if I'm audible, please.
Yes, sir. Audible.
All right, cool. So what do I want to see? I want to see price sweep this low, reject like this, and we'll get it back. If that does not happen, we won't be joining. So let's put alarm here. I want to know when price sweep this low. Once price sweep this low, we want to see proper rejection, then we join the buy. That's our confirmation 1 hour. So someone sent me a text, my DM, asking if I can talk about confirmation on 1 hour. This is what you want to see. But you want to see price rejects at least above this level, right? This is a form of confirmation. So we're still waiting. We're waiting. German 40 just did one candle, just one candle from entry to TP. Didn't even waste time. So we missed this guy. We missed this guy. I didn't check German 40 early. So it was my friend that told me that we didn't check German 40. So on checking, we saw that price just split and went to German 40 already smart with TP we're looking at. Right. The first TP of the day. German 40 already smashed that. So on looking at this again, I'm of this opinion that German 40, it's possible to have a sell today. But let's confirm. We'll sweep this low, right? Our aim is this high, which is okay. Like it's okay, we'll bind to that level. But if you look at this is also an expansion to the lower side with resistance staying up here. What do you want to see? I want to see expansion on 4 hours. 4 hours hasn't expanded yet. So we want to see when price break this level. Price break this low, right? That's an expansion for sell. So we have a lot of waiting game to do today. It's Monday, so I'm sure that we're not even surprised with everything. It's Monday, right? It's Monday, so all this is expected. It's Monday. The best you can do for yourself, right? Don't be too encouraged to enter one. Because the moment you enter too early, probably you lose money to the market and then boom, when the right setup comes, you'll be too skeptical to take it, and that becomes a problem, right? So, what's it called? Don't be too in hurry to take trade on. Don't be too in hurry to, what's it called? To just find setup. Be patient, let price do its thing first. Present everything you need to see before you take your trade, and then you find. All right. So that's that. That's the first part. If you're on gold buy, ensure that at least you secure some profit, no matter how little. All right. So German 40, we're waiting for price to break that low, close with body below that level on the daily. Then we can shoot. All right. What else? So let's go. JPY. This guy, very funny guy. I was looking at it earlier. We reacted from this open and close. Let me take it to everything now. We reacted from this open and close. Price expanded. So if you see, like I said last week, okay, we've already treated that, so there's no point going back to that. Sorry, I'm trying to do something. Okay, so we're waiting for expansion. Before this guy could say Jack, before it will even expand, 1 hour just peaked and did 5 hours. I was on C2, I was seeing everything, but this evening won't make me send that kind of setup to you guys. So price already did 5 hours. Not to worry. We're still going to get our own opportunity. So what are we expecting? This current 4 hours now, I want to see if it will break above this level. The funniest thing is the last one finally broke. It broke, just that price peaked on 1 hour even before the break. Right? Price peaked on 1 hour even before the break. So we were able to get trading. Looking at this guy now, where can we trade from again? Let's see. Price already mitigated. This 4 hours now. Let's see how it closes above here. But for now, there's nothing really interesting about that game. So now let me take a minute or two. No, let's go through all the currency pairs based on the one you guys want me to analyze. I have a few setups I'm looking at. When the time comes, I'll send them. Right? When the time comes, I'll send them. Okay. But let's see now. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. You can go through the comment section for me and let me know the one people want me to go through.
All right, sir.
So, okay, so that's that. But while we're waiting, let's go through all the pairs once again, just like we did yesterday and the day before. So, Forex is gone. It's Monday.
Euro CHF.
All right, let's start with Euro USD first. Then we'll take that later. So I'm still very bearish on Euro USD, and I love what price is doing here. Right, I love what price is doing here. For me personally, I want to sell. I want to sell on price from here. I also want to see how price reacts to either of these two. Right, I want to see get person. Okay, so I want to see how price reacts to either of these two. If price come here, give me what I need to see on 4 hours, give me 1 hour entry, I'll engage. If that doesn't happen, then I'll wait for this to kick in. All right, so either of these two, I'll be looking to sell from this. Either of these two, I'll be looking to sell from them. All right, so that's one. Secondly, let's see GU. Yeah, for GU2, still saying I'm bearish. I'm bearish on GU and EU. Today may not give us too many sort of like maybe too many opportunities, right? But we're still sitting and waiting for it, right? Today may not give us much, but overall this week there'll be more sell on GU, EU this week. All right, there'll be more sell on EU and GU this week. All right, so let's see after EU, GU. Now, based on you guys' request, now let's go. What's the first one we have, Billy?
I will have
Yes.
GBP.
I mean, based on the request now.
All right, so Euro CHF first.
Euro CHF. So let's see Euro CHF. CHF. Okay. Price just have to go for this pullback. Let's see. Okay. I see what this person is saying. I think we spoke about it since last night. Right.
Yes,
But
sir.
then there's this engulfing here or sell. There's this engulfing after we took out the previous day high. Right. Or sell. Let's see 1 hour is presented. Okay. We can have sell before this buy. We can have sell before this buy. Because I think 4 hours has closed already, right? Yes, 4 hours has closed already. And let's see the previous day high. Let's see how we reacted to it. We're sweeping this guy now. Right? Overall, we're going to bite this guy. It's taking out. We're very close to take profit. But price is now presenting a sell opportunity. So let's see what we have. Let's see how we can play around here. Price has swept this high, rejecting this low is still intact. So 4 hours has given us engulfing, which is a form of expansion now. Right? 1 hour entry opportunity. Based on what we have on this 1 hour now, we can see how this open and close to the left side. This guy supports pricing target. So if this current candle on 1 hour closes like this guy can serve as what? It can serve as our inducement. That guy can serve as our inducement, and then we can take a sell like this. But this current candle have to close like that to serve as the inducement. Then where's the stop loss? Just go with this guy. And where's the nearest stop we saw on 4 hours? So we want to pay attention to this level. Because price can resume the buy there. Now, also what we're doing with this guy currently, this is a counter trade. This is a counter trade. More like it's very, very risky. It's Very, very risky. I won't even advise it, but we can wait and see. All right. So this number one, and if this level holds, what I want to see, even if I'm buying, right, I'm going to be taking, sorry, even if I'm selling, I'm going to be taking my profit here. Because you never can tell. Price can just drop and resume the buy. Overall, we're here to get to our TP. So price can just drop from this level, resume the buy from here. So even if you are selling, be very, very careful. Right? It's a counter trade already. It's a counter trade. So let's see. This can happen. This can happen. This can happen. But we just have to monitor. Let's see how this one are even close first. So what will happen is, let's see. If we're still on call, we'll check. But if we're not on call, we'll still have one more section at least before the end of the day. Maybe as New York opening, right? Around 2 or around 2 there, still have one section. So which one is the next one?
GBP AUD.
GBP. If I check there, GBP. Okay, let's see how okay, price swept this low on the weekly. So this high minimum. It makes sense. On the other part, we didn't get all service. So last week made sense. Let's see. Okay, last week closed bullish. Daily Friday swept that high, or couldn't do much. Then today swept this low now. Therefore, as expansion, 4 hours engulfed already. Makes sense. Also expanded here, so I can be short-term buy on GPUD. Very much possible. But we need to wait for 36 minutes. This guy has to close first in 36 minutes. If it closes, then we'll use this open and close. Buy from here. But first, let this 36 minutes close. Don't be in a hurry. I know people who miss out on our good now. So much in hurry to take trade. No, you don't need that. There will be enough, there will be more than enough setup this week. It's just us who have to position ourselves. You get, there will be a lot of setups this week. But we have to position ourselves. How can we position ourselves? Ensure that you're not losing recklessly to the market, so that when price finally give you reason to join, you won't miss out on it. So just be patient, let the market do its thing first. All right. Just give market enough time to do its thing first. All right. Like I said, ensure you secure some profit on gold. All right. So let's watch out for GPUD around this level. As you can see, we even set liquidity all around here. So this guy should be our next level there. So this is what I'll be looking out for. The GBP right? This is what I'll be looking out for. Bello, I'll need you to take note of all these things. Write them down for me, so I can easily come back to check.
Yes, sir. I've written them down.
So what's the next one based on the request we have now?
We have BTC.
BTC, we analyzed BTC last night. Price came back to the 4 hours we spoke of. But from there, all right, let's see BTC or BTC USD. We spoke about this 4 hours yesterday. Price reacted there. This guy. Price reacted there, went up. But above all, remember what I said? I said it clearly yesterday that BTC still have to drop. A few of you won't believe that price will drop that yesterday, but it's so clear. The whole of this guy, this trend line liquidity has to go. Right. If price wants to take it out, then price still needs to drop. So what are we going to be looking out for? We're going to be looking out for how price reacted. We're going to be using confirmation here, right, on 1 hour. We're going to be using confirmation on 1 hour. 4 hours looks okay as well, right? But wait till the price come, they will not get confirmation. All right. So that's that about BTC. What else?
I have USD card.
There's the card. Let's see. There's the card. There is Monday. Patience, guys. Patience. There's still a lot. Here's the card is bullish. This guy will go. This guy will go. This guy is how to go. 4 hours has expanded. 4 hours has expanded. Same way. Well. I don't like what I'm seeing on 1 hour. Doesn't look too. 2 hours. Not really. Okay, 3 hours looks better. 3 hours looks better. Maybe a short-term buy from this level to this high. I'll use confirmation for almost all of them. At the end of the day, too, I don't like what's piling up here. I don't like what's piling up here. Price can just come, take it out, and then you get. So let's still wait. I think there will be more activities during New York section today than the London. But we're breaking this guy on 4 hours now. Well, we broke that guy already, sorry. So going to our entry time frame now. Let me see. I don't like balance like this. The only guy still saying something meaningful to me now is 3 hours. The only guy saying something meaningful to me is 3 hours. But if 3 hours moves close, I don't want to see this place shifts. I want price to either close the way it is like this or close above this guy. We still need like 2 hours, 30 minutes for that. So we'll pay attention. We'll pay attention. All right. Which other one?
GBP and ZD.
GBP and ZD. Let's see. GBP and ZD. So daily, let's see what it goes. Last week, rejected from them. So this thing. We need to show this guy. But today I set the low on Friday. I won't be doing anything here. I must have done something here, so I've been this guy. Sorry. The first engulfing we had is this guy. This guy. And 1 hour. No setup for me around here. 5 minutes. It's a new trade for me already. I need some price came for this guy, but I don't take entries like this. It came for this guy. For me, I like both imbalance and inducement. That's my point of entry. So I don't have anything on GPNZD personally, but if you've seen anything around free place, it's just my own take. All right. Which other one?
USD JPY.
There's the JPY. I said it yesterday. Here's the JPY. If you're selling, still be careful. Not sure price is ready yet for the sell. Not sure price is ready totally for the sell. So price is just in there. The low is intact, the high is intact. Nothing is really happening around here. If you check where we're coming from here, right? Before we can proceed, this is from weekly. Before we can proceed, we want to see daily give us expansion. That has not happened yet on daily. So what do? Stay out. All right. Stay out. So let's form first. Until it happens, we'll just stay. Okay. Which other one?
I have AUD card.
AUD card. When it's good, it's rejecting. Most probably take out this guy first. Continue the buy, or maybe short-term buy is over. We never can tell. but I'm expecting price to go clear out all this trend line. If we use confirmation, we've got more than 4 hours, which is not bad. Almost 5. So you know what to do. Manage your trade. But nobody should be leaving this trade without making profits. I don't believe anyone should even hit break even on this again. Price has done good enough, so ensure you take some profit. Okay, you said what? What's that? Yeah, you mentioned just now.
AUD card.
AUD card. Okay. Okay, let's need to one thing. It's like you stay up on this AUD card. Maybe it's for example. I think now better. I was looking at NAS and US30 earlier for buy 4 hours. I didn't believe that 4 hours was not expand. It was close towards the end of that 4 hours, just rejected. So there was no expansion for buy. Considering we might be taking this still deliberating. So AED card set this low with 30 DI, but today's swept last. It swept Friday high. And earlier we had an expansion for sell. Let's see 1 hour entry. Oh, 1 hour not so good. We've broken here now. These guys have us in this minute. Where do you want to sell? For me, I love to see key level, except we agree to this other side. Okay, not to worry. Get aware on it. It's happened to be open and close for buy. Price disrespected it. For price right up, came back again. Maybe price will be coming from this guy. Maybe. But we need to wait, let this guy close first. Then on 1 hour, that's also fine. We need to wait, let 1 hour close first. Even if we're going to be selling, remember, we're going to just sell to the last low there. So something like this doesn't look bad at all. This guy does not look bad. But if 1 hour close, we need to still wait and see how 1 hour will behave there. All right. So we need to wait and see how 1 hour will behave there. We need 1 hour to close first, like this. Then we can get sell for that. Hopefully, price come back. Hopefully, let's see. Each other one.
And then Euro card.
Euro card. After this, we'll go through the what's it called? We'll go through these guys, the index, and then we'll come back by 1 or 2 p.m. depending. We'll see though. Price rejected from here. Price rejected from here on the weekend. Okay, last 100. Okay, last 100 is sending me an alarm now. Okay. If today closed like this, we have an expansion. But we need to wait for today to close. Euro card, we need to wait for today to close. And until that happens, we can't do anything about it. So for now, I'd rather stay out. If I go by the daily, nothing. Except want to argue that I'll set this low, which is true. Yeah, 4 hours expanded. 4 hours expanded. That's of the entry opportunity. Yes. Okay, there was this buy earlier that we all need, all of us. Except that one I gave the order we should check. Except you are in. But we all use this guy. Should be very close to our stop loss. Price has hit the first TP, which is this guy, and that has done almost 5 hours. But we didn't see it earlier, so that's the main straight for us. So framing our buyers from daily now, a new expansion is about to happen, right? Which is this guy. If price should close like this, in the next 3 hours, 23 minutes, we can take this buy. What's the whole mind around it? You can take that buy, but what's the whole thought process around it? Price should be slow. This was the last we created. So price should go for this high. Yes, this is what we're expecting. Price should be low, should go for that high. 4 hours has expanded. We're waiting for 4 hours to give us the inducement. Can even refine. It makes so much sense. Who gave this call? Looks nice. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. In 4 hours, in the next, what's it called? 3 hours, 20 something minutes. It closes like that. Okay, fine. We're going to be buying from this level with the mindset that we'll take out this high. This will be our. All right, it's a nice call, but let's wait. Let the 4 hours close first. All right, we're being conservative here. Aggressive, this guy, but let's just go with this. It's almost 4 hours, so it's not looking bad at all. It's even 4 hours. So Euro card man, this looks very nice. All right. So the Euro card man, that looks nice. Okay. Weekly expansion, let's see what you're saying. It's not bad, but last week swept the low of the previous week too. Right. So more of a sell too. Sorry, more of a buy. And I'm only considering this guy. I'm only considering this range. Right. So if you want to sell, I'll encourage you wait until this level is done. Right. Because price is meant to buy till this high. Right. Price is meant to buy to that high. So this is what I'm seeing personally. This is just my own take. Right. And in no way did it invalidate your own. You get, if you see more sell, why not take it? But based on what I trade now, this is what I'm seeing. This flow is gone. Right. 4 hours has expanded. 4 hours has expanded already. So now, as long as this current 4 hours does not sweep this high, as long as it does not sweep this high, then this level is protected, then I can still take buy. 2 hours. 2 hours is looking okay too. Right. I want it to close above this guy. A close below this guy can make the whole of this become a range too by sweeping this guy and coming for this low again. I hope we're learning and coming for this low, which will invalidate our setup. But a close up this guy makes so much sense that our range is still protected. So we need to see these 2 hours close first, which is in about 1 hour, 90 minutes or 20 minutes. So we need to wait to see that. I want to see price close above this level. I want to see price close above. It close above that level is fine. All right. So let's call it a day for now. For this section, let's call it a day now. Then later in the day, we'll come back. Later in the day, we'll come back, say around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. We can just sit on here. So there's still a lot of waiting hour we need to do. So let's wait. Probably by 1 or 1:30 we'll come back. By then, most probably we should have something good to trade. And GJ will still buy today. We just have to look for a good place to buy. Not to worry. Monitoring and I'll let us know. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day now. I'll see you by 1:30. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Cam.
All right, thank you, everyone. All right, Bello, write this thing out to send them to me, okay?
All right, sir.